What's up, guys? I'm here in downtown Inglewood riding my one wheel, and today I'm going to bring to you that holster video I promised. This is my favorite holster for the Insta360 1X2, RS, X3, Go 2, whatever has a selfie stick. Here it is, the Night Eyes Light Holster Stretch. You have a selfie stick on your Insta360 like so, and this is the best way to carry it. It doesn't fall, it doesn't get in your way, and it rotates for you to sit down quickly, and you can take it out pretty quickly, get to shooting, and then collapse it back and roll away. I love this thing because I don't have to fumble around with an extra bag or anything weird. I used to think I was going to shoot for 1,000,000 hours, especially back when I was shooting with GoPros. I'd want to have 700 batteries with me and 3,000 memory cards so I could shoot from here until when Moses returns. But I realized less is more, and with the Insta360, I shoot for about an hour and a half, something like that, and that's more than enough. So I just basically need the camera, and that's what this thing does. It allows me to have the camera on me at all times, and that's what it looks like on my hip. That's the 1RS 360 1-inch edition. Surprisingly, it clips on to basketball shorts or like sweatpants too. And I haven't had problems with it falling out. It's very sturdy. There it goes upside down and it's not falling off. It stretches so big that it could accommodate the 10-foot extended selfie stick from Insta360, which is what that camera's sitting on right now, even though it's not fully extended to the 10 feet. If you don't want to spend money for this, you could do like I did before, which is cut off the bottom of a 1-inch flashlight holder. It doesn't work just the same. It doesn't have as much elasticity to it. So I prefer this over the 1-inch flashlight holder. What else is cool about this is you can leave it on your hip and shoot out of just one lens if you want. The RS 360 1-inch edition, which is what I have here, doesn't specifically support shooting out of one lens, but basically when you go to edit it, you just frame it so that it's only looking out of one lens and you're good to go. And it's cheap. It's like 11 bucks. It's available on Amazon. It's available from Home Depot. It's available from Lowe's. I'm not sure about Ace, but yeah, I can't recommend it enough. The Light Holster Stretch. I'm not sponsored. I'm not sponsored by this dentist place either. I just thought it was a great spot to stop, which, well, I was wrong. I hope you enjoy it too. Get yourself one if you like, or use the 1-inch mod that I talked about before, modifying a 1-inch flashlight holster. Thank you so much for listening. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. What's up, guys? Why am I feeling it? This holster of legend works by grabbing onto the selfie stick as opposed to the camera itself. So as long as you have a selfie stick attached to your camera, this will work on anything, even what I'm filming on right now, which is the Osmo Pocket 2. And it holds the Insta360's selfie stick securely. I mean, if it's free music, why don't you get some?